how to log in ParentPay account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorial. ParentPay is an online payment platform commonly used by schools in the UK. It allows parents or guardians to make secure online payments for various school-related expenses such as school meals, trips, uniforms, clubs, and other items or services offered by the school. Now, if you want to learn how you can get logged into your ParentPay account, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Firstly, open up any preferred web browser on your PC. Now, on the URL bar, search for parentpay.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be headed to its official homepage, which looks like this. Now, if you want to get logged into your school account, then you can tap on this blue button which says school login. But if you are a parent and want to get logged into your parent's account, then you have to click on this red button which says for parents. And once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear on your screen. Now, from the drop down menu, you have to select second option, parent login, and then you will be redirected to its login page. On the login page, you have to enter your username or email address followed by the password. These details are usually provided by your child's school when they set up your ParentPay account. Now, once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, click on Login button to access your ParentPay account. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on Forget Your Password link. Now, once you are logged in, you can view and manage various payments related to your child's school activities. Now, that was the quick and simple video on how you can get logged into your ParentPay account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a like. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.